Gagasi FM News.
KZN Premier Sihle Zikalala says he has written to President Cyril Ramaphosa requesting that King Goodwill Zwelithini be afforded a state funeral. Zikalala has been briefing media in Durban following the passing of the Zulu monarch. He says they have elected a team of MECs that will be working with the Zulu royal family to arrange an official send-off for Isilo.
Government will be working and appoint the team of MECs, the Interministerial Committee, that will work with the Royal House in the preparations for all activities leading to the burial ukufihlwa kweSilo.
Zikalala adds that a whole week has been declared a week of mourning.
Sifisa ukuthi ke sazisa abantu beprovince ukuthi from now singena esigabeni sokulila la sizokwehlisa khona imisebenzi kuHulumeni, ungabi nalama programs abamakhulu kodwa imisebenzi kuHulumeni eqhubekayo kube ile enike idingo kubantu, imicimbi imiswe okwesikhashana.
For Gagasi FM News, I'm Zilungile Mkhize in Durban.
Gagasi FM News.